Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Manoj and today we are going to see very interesting topic, that is DevOps. In the DevOps we are going to see the 6 topics. That would be, first topic we are going to see the Git, second topic would be the GitHub, third topic we are going to see is the Jenkins, fourth topic would be the Ansible, fifth topic would be the Docker, and sixth topic we are going to see is the Nagios. Okay, before jumping directly to this topic, let me explain what is DevOps. For better understanding, we can see it in graphical way. Okay, just wait for guys. Let me open this window. Okay, here it is. What is DevOps? Basically, the DevOps consists of the two words, that is Dev and OPS. DEV and OPS. What is Dev? Dev is basically the development, and OPS is the operations. Okay. Here you can see plan, code, build and test. This particular section comes in the development cycle of the DevOps, and this complete development cycle is integrated with the operation cycle. In the operation cycle we can see topics like deploy, operate, monitor. Okay guys, the plan and code section, what happens here? The developers write that code, plan their code, write their codes, build their codes, test their codes, and after testing their codes they integrate with the production server. In the production there are various software to deploy and operate. In the further slide we are going to see what kind of softwares are used for planning and coding, for building, testing, deploying, operating and monitoring. This is the definition for the DevOps. DevOps is the software development approach which involves continuous deployment, continuous testing, continuous integration, continuous deployment and continuous monitoring. Okay guys, in the further slide you will get better understanding what exactly I am saying. Okay, this is a slide for you guys. In the plan and code section we have 3 softwares here: Git, Subverges and Jira. Among these 3 topics, the Git is a very famous one, and we are going to see in the further tutorial the Git. So don't worry guys, after planning and coding, the developer build their codes. By building the codes, the various softwares in the market available, Maven, Gradle, various other softwares are there. Ant is here Ant is there specifically, and after building the code we can test the code by using Selenium, by using JUnit and SE. What is SE? SE is basically the Selenium. After testing the code we can integrate those. For integration purpose we can use the Jenkins for it. After integration we have to deploy the code. Okay, for deploy and operator we can use this kind of software: Pet, Chef, SaltStack, Ansible. In the further tutorial I am going to explain the Ansible for you guys. And after this whole process is done, application, we have to monitor those applications exactly how our codes are working. Okay, so to do that we have to monitor it. For monitoring purpose there are 3 softwares in the market: New Relic, Sensu and Nagios. The Nagios is the most famous one among these 3. Nagios is a very famous tool application, and besides these topics we are going to also see the Docker. I already mentioned here. It's not in the development cycle, but comes in the DevOps topic. So we have to see this also. This is one of the most important topics in the DevOps. Okay. So in the next session we are going to start directly with the Git. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Thank you.